I'm echoing your name again. I see your shadow in the neon light. Another lonely and a sleepless night. I tried to hide the picture in the drawer, but I can't keep away from wanting more. Every song on the radio is playing melodies from long ago. I turn it down, but I can hear the sound of a love that we had found, then lost to the ground. I can't forget you, no matter how I try. I'm still living in our last goodbye. The world keeps spinning, but I'm standing still, caught in a memory I can't kill. Oh, I can't forget you. You cut so deep. You're the secret that I have to keep. I walk the streets where we used to go. The city lights have lost their warm, soft